Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the globe behind an instrument cluster of a Mercedes-Benz W210. First up, we're going to move the steering wheel out and down. This just gives you enough room to access the instrument cluster. Next, we're going to come down to the back seat to where the negative battery terminal access point is for the battery, and we're going to remove this just to keep things, I guess, risk-free when we're taking out the instrument cluster. There are some cables and electrical points being used, so we don't want to cause any problems. Here I'm just putting a bit of plastic in there to stop the battery terminal from hitting the battery and sparking. So here I have just a small hook which we're going to put down beside the instrument cluster, slide it down and twist it 90 degrees and then pull out. The instrument cluster is just a slip fit or friction fit in there. There's no screws or anything, so it's actually quite easy to do. So first we do it on the right side, then we're going to do the same thing on the left side. As you can see, it sort of just slides down there. There's enough room. The padding is quite soft. Give it a twist 90 degrees, pull it out, and it comes out reasonably easy. Here we're going to just move out the instrument cluster and pull out the cables. So you can see there the light grey, that just slides backwards. There is a slight button just in front of that stopping it, and it pulls right out. So same with the other side. There's a small button, press it, and then pull the grey part back, and that sort of slides it right out. So we're just using some Osram 12 volt, 1.5 watt. These are what are originally in there. I do like to use OEM quality products. Here, it is recommended that you do change all of the globes when you're doing this, but considering how easy it is to pull the instrument cluster out, I've just replaced the one that has blown, which is the one behind my temperature gauge. So just quick turn, comes right out, put the next one in, quarter turn, really quite easy. Put it back in the same way you pulled it out. So those plugs plug straight back in, and to tighten them, you just move the grey lever back over the top, and that locks it into place. So do that for both sides. It is quite simple. Next you just slide it, instrument cluster back in, and just push in. It might feel a little bit tight, but it definitely fits in there. You know, sort of work it in from either side, and it goes right back into place, as you can see. So now we just put the battery terminal back on, give it some power. Tighten that bolt back up. This is just a 13mm socket to undo that bolt. Normally there is a plastic cover over the top of that, which just sort of hides that, but as you can see on my car, we'll have to try and source another one. Now we jump back into the car. Turn it on, and now it's all working.